the mills will take care of the fluting and the pockets where our carbide will be raised in.
Because we have a pneumatic tailstock that's programmable, we'll program the tailstock to pull back, and then the 5-axis positioning in there, you can bring the tool up at an angle and drill your coolant holes in the mill.
Is that process that you just described something that you developed a long time ago, or is this something that you're consistently tweaking?
Adding like 5-axis on here and having all that's been in the past 10 or 12 years, something like that.
Right.
But we have continued to tweak it. One of the ways that we did that was by adding the Cobots. I'd say that we were pretty early adopters on that as far as adding Cobots to machining centers. Within a year of Universal coming out with these UR5s, we had them on our machines, changing it from manual load to an auto load system.
And the processes that you're using, so the Cobot right now, it just dropped a finished part into the tray, picking up the next work piece. Did you program the Cobot yourself? Did Universal Robots help you?
The supplier that we worked with helped on the initial programming to teach us the basics, and then we've continued to tweak it along the way. Like one of the things we did was add an air blast up there on by the grippers.
Yeah, I saw that.
So if you saw that, it's making sure to clear chips out of the collet before you load the next part in.
Yep. And this is bolted down as opposed to a lot of Cobots that people move them around the shop.
Right.
This is permanent.
Just because we knew we need one permanently here on these machines, so we bolted them in place. That way you don't lose position.
Sure.
You can see it like right now, the 5-axis unit is tilted upwards to do the hole drilling for coolant holes. It'll do that first, and then it'll come back down, and the tailstock will engage to support the part that we're making, and then it'll come and mill out the rest of the features.
And any idea on volume in a typical day?
Well, if it's this size tool, it can be, a few hundred pieces in a day.